Okay guys, so I finally got my BTS I Need You Japanese albums. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I just ran to the post office to get them because I need to be at work right now. But here I am. I'm not, if I hadn't gone right now, I wouldn't be able to get them because I work from 8 to 5. Oh, I'm sorry. So, I couldn't wait. I missed the mail carrier yesterday, and I'm not gonna freaking miss today. So I did a group order, and well, this is only the regular editions and the HMV Edition, and one's the CD only, which is this one. The other one is the CD and the DVD, and the other one is CD with DVD, but the loopy HMV Edition. So yeah, let me do it really quick, because I'm gonna call in late. Oh my god, this is bad. Actually, I start at 8:30, not 8. I wouldn't be freaking an hour late. So this is it, the regular edition. Ooh, it's pretty. There's it's a flower. Oh gosh, I wonder what I got for the Jimin. Okay, just gonna open them to see what I got for the PCs. Most of them are mine. I did a group order, but only like a few people order, and they ordered the Ponyo version. Yeah. Okay. Sucks not having nails, so I can open it. I need scissors. Where are my damn scissors? No, I don't want to use the scissors. Fuck. Sorry. Okay. Here's the other one. Ooh, sugar! I got sugar. I'm not gonna. Yes, I ordered 10 for me. I have 13 or 12 of the regular. I ordered 10, and 3 are for my other friends. They're not friends, but like armies, people who order. I really do need scissors. I'll be right back. Oh, where am I? Oh, here. Okay, I'm more anxious right now because I'm freaking late to work than actually opening them. I really can't wait till later. Like, I work freaking 9 hours. The group card. Ooh, so pretty. Did I show them up close for this one? Jimin, sugar. Okay. That's that. Yay! I got my bias. Obi, so cute. Well, so far so good. I've been getting okay, so yeah, I've been getting good luck. Okay. Hopefully I get all of them, all 8, and then the rest, the ones the other girls want. Woohoo! Rat Monster. Nam June. Okay, I'm gonna put this here. Let me get a V or Jin. Sugar! Like a, I don't want to put them on top. Okay. Just put that aside. So I guess, what? Let me see. I can't close it. Oh, this one came broken. Look, fell apart. I'll fix it later. I guess this is like a, I won something. Well, if I was, I think this is like a high touch for a member, because the other ones are brown, and I've seen the pink ones go on sale. So I'm guessing those are like either an all member hi-fi or like a one member for a fan signing in Japan. It sucks because I usually get them. Jen! Woohoo! Yay, I got all of them. No, I'm just missing V. Oh gosh. See what I mean? It's brown. So the pink one means that it's one of the members. Oh my god. I'd be going crazy if I was in Japan, seriously. Gosh, well, I'm not in Japan or freaking Korea. I swear. Dude, I'm getting lucky with these PCs. I never, like, I usually order a lot, like 10. But it's rare. I think I've only got, like, all the members in the group once. But it's rare. So I'm just missing V. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let me open them first. So yeah, like I said before, I ordered all 4 versions. The ones I'm opening right now are the regular edition, so CD only. Those come with this PC, as you can see. I'm just waiting for my other package. Those are for the other ones. For the other ones, they're the pony. Okay, so I got a group. Can't see. PC again. And those come with, oh, I opened it already. With a PC as well. And it comes with a Christmas message. And I ordered a lot too for myself. Like 13 copies. Because why not? Okay. Oh, I got a Jimin. Okay. So far I've gotten 2 doubles of Sugar, Jimin, and the group card. I have 3 more to open. I hope I get a Jungkook. Ooh, I got 3 Sugars. Okay. guys. Wish me luck. If I do get cookie, like, I'm gonna flip out. Oh, have another pink thingy. I don't know what those are called. Okay, last one, guys. Last one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm sorry I'm doing this. It's like in a rush and it's such a mess. But yeah. V. Wait. Yeah, V. Wait. Oh my god. I kept saying cookie, but it's V. Oh my god. Guys. Oh my god. Look. Look what I got. I got all 8 PCs. Wow, I got so lucky. Yay. Oh my god, my set is complete now. Okay, moving on. Sorry. Gonna open the regular edition, but with a CD and DVD. Let me open them. Gosh. Sorry, boss, but BTS comes first. Oh gosh. I'm bad. Okay. Like I was gonna open them, but I wasn't gonna record. But then again, like if I see them now and record later, I honestly don't think there's a point in doing that, because I don't know, I like doing unboxing videos when I open them, you know. Gosh, I can open it. Okay. Oh, this is pretty. So this is the oh wow, that's beautiful. This one does not come with a PC, just with the cover is beautiful. Lyrics, of course. Japanese lyrics. Okay. So this is this version. Let me open this one. Okay, sorry. I need to start with this. I like the covers of the CDs. They're nice. It's pretty. I thought this came with a PC. Like an HMV photo card, but it did not. Anyways, that was that of the PCs, and I'll make a video for the other version. All right, well, thank you for watching. Bye bye.